Hi food lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the video. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a smoothie, and for the smoothie I'm going to use strawberry, watermelon, and milk. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment and tell me what you think about the video. Let's get started. And here are my ingredients for making smoothie. I have one cup of milk, and I have watermelon that I just cut half of watermelon. And I have some strawberry that I've already put on the blender. And first of all, I'm going to put all the watermelon, not all of it because it will be too much in the blender, but I'll just put a little bit of watermelon in the blender and pour milk. And the reason why I'm pouring the milk in the watermelon is to help the blender not to overwork, and also it will help the strawberry and watermelon at least to blend together. I don't know whether I've just explained it nicely, because when you don't pour liquid in the mixture, the blender will be struggling and it won't blend all your ingredients. And now I'll have to cover my blender, and since I'm just holding my camera by myself, I don't have someone to help me to hold my camera. I'll have to use my finger, one finger holding the lid and another one pressing the button for on. And I'll have to add some little more watermelon. As I told you earlier, I don't have someone to assist me to hold my camera. Now I'm just doing everything by myself. And for this recipe, it's really easy. If you have a big family, if you have kids at home, if you want to make your family happy, if you want to make your stomach happy, this is the recipe that you should try at home. And when you do that, it's easy, you get something for drinking in the morning while you're taking your breakfast. And the recipe doesn't require a lot of ingredients. You just need strawberry, watermelon, and a cup of milk, and you blender. You put them in the blender and you make your smoothie. And our smoothie is ready. I know most of the people are use of milkshake, vanilla milkshake, all that. But today I've just decided to do something different from the regular one that people normally do. And right now I just want to pour on the glass because I need to taste. and see how it tastes like. And now it's time to test my watermelon strawberry smoothie. As you can see it here, let me just test and see the way it tastes like. Wow, this is delicious, very refreshing. I can taste watermelon. I can also taste strawberry and milk. And for the recipe, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. What you need watermelon, you need strawberry, and a cup of milk. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the video. And if you tried the recipe and you like it, you can just leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the video. I mean about the recipe. Bye bye.